Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you Pioneer AVIC-W8500NEX installed on a Mercedes SL 2004. So first thing we can see, we have the Mercedes SL double DIN kit, which makes the installation very clean, very nice. You don't see anything, it doesn't look much aftermarket, you don't have any gaps. Because it's not a factory radio, but again, it's a clean job. And we also have the USBs that we have installed. So I'll show you the USB. We put two flat mount USBs on the back in here. One is for Apple CarPlay, one is for the Android Auto. This device also has the wireless Apple CarPlay, so you don't really have to connect your cable for it. Obviously all the factory features, volume up, volume down from the steering wheel, everything keeps on working. System is a 7-inch screen, so the screen can easily be open for CDs. We also have a SD card option in here. You can adjust the angle of the screen if you want. The system, in this case, we did not have any backup camera. The customer did not need the camera, but you can add a backup camera to it, and pretty much a lot of other features. For more electronic devices, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.